How to fix the webcam is not working on your Mac computer. So this will work on both MacBook Pro and also MacBook Air as well. So if you're trying to use your camera and you're just seeing a black screen, this could be on apps such as Zoom, Google Meets, or basically any app that requires the camera. I'm going to show you how to go and fix all of these webcam issues. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure the webcam itself is completely clean. So you can see at the top here, this is where the camera is displayed on your Mac, and you can just use a wet cloth to go and clean this area and make sure it's free from any dust or debris. Now, providing your webcam is clean, you can head over to your Mac desktop like this, and then click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and press System Settings. You can then come down on this left hand side and click on Privacy and Security, and then you'll need to scroll down to the camera. Now here you'll see a list of applications that require access to the camera. So you need to make sure that all of these applications are turned on like so. Now once you've turned on the camera access for all of these apps, you can go and close out of this window, click on the Apple logo again, click on System Settings, and then click on General and press Software Update. Now if there's any updates available for your Mac computer, then you'll need to go and install these now. Once you've done this, you can check to see if your webcam is now working. If you're still having an issue, then click on the search box at the top of the page, type in the word activity and click on the activity monitor. Now from this window, go and make it full screen like this. Click on the drop down arrow and select System Diagnostics. You could then select OK. You'll need to enter the password to your Mac computer and then go and wait a few minutes while this System Diagnostics carries out. Once it's finished, you can try restarting your Mac computer and your webcam should now be working.